Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how multiple brokers are created along with their working, how partitions and replications happen. So today we'll be going through how to store the real-time data on HDFS, like using this producer and consumer for fetching the real-time data with Kafka. So as you can see the browser directory where no stock Kafka stock file is present or directory. So we'll first start the Zookeeper and then we'll start the Kafka and we'll look into the status of this Kafka using this using the command so that we can see if it is active or not. So here we have created a producer.py file to receive the data from the source and send it to the broker through this topic. So here as you can see, here I have imported the necessary modules and I have stored this API key in this environmental file. As you can see here, API key. Then the CSV URL acts as a source which I have got from this Alpha Vantage site from here. And now going back. Here I have given I have made the slicing. Specified the interval as 5 minutes and the slice to 1 month of a year. And now I will get that CSV URL, download it, and then we split those lines and the delimiter is comma as it is a CSV file, and then listing it out and then printing it out as producer.send as a topic 4. Now going to this consumer file, as you can see I have imported the necessary modules and then also imported subprocess. I'm here creating a directory as Kafka stock data, and also the file, an empty file called as data.txt, which is present in the home home directory, which is shown here. This data.txt, which is an empty file, and now I am trying to put this file into this Kafka stock data and then specifying the HDFS path Kafka stock data slash data.text. Here using the for loop to get the messages through topic from the broker, which is sent by this producer. Values equals message dot value. Here we are receiving the rows. We are doing it line by line with this HDFS dot open and specifying that path. Now we'll get into this oh, it's not Kafka, sorry, it's Kafka to HDFS. Oh, sorry, it's a mistake over here. Kafka to HDFS where my consumer and producer files are present. So now I'm running this consumer file. Now this will create a stock Kafka stock data directory in the HDFS, and will also copy this empty data.text file. As you can see over here, we have this Kafka stock data directory. Inside that we have this data dot text which is of size 0, as we have not sent any data now. So now we need to run this producer.py file. Just a second, there is a problem. Okay, as you can see the size is 0. Now we'll go and run this producer.py file which will get the output into this consumer.py file, and then the program will start to write the data into this HDFS. We'll refresh it. See, now we can see the size is from it was earlier 0, now it's 51. So we can see this head of this file. See, as you can see, the data is successfully loaded here into this HDFS from that URL, from this Alpha Vintage site which we have got. So it's successfully done. So this is how we can store the real-time data into the HDFS using Kafka. Thank you.